Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to port MIUI 12 super wallpapers on your Android smartphone. For this, all you have to do is download the zip file from the link in the description. It contains all the APKs for the super wallpaper. For this to work, Android 8.1 Oreo or above is required. After you are done downloading, install all the APKs. Then go to Play Store and download Google Wallpaper app. This app is important in order for this to work. Open the app, scroll down to the live wallpapers and choose any of the wallpapers you just installed. There you have it. Thanks for making it this far in the video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, then hit the bell icon.